Good morning, everyone. I'm Jurian Kyle B. Concepcion, the reporter for Group B.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jared Arkin A. Luna from Group B.
Hi everyone, my name is Biel A. Macolon, the last reporter of Group B in TLE.
Do you ever wonder how the people make their slideshows look nice? Well, there are things you can use, including action buttons.
Action buttons make slides smoother and easier to use.
It makes the presentation look nicer while also giving it a user-friendly experience. It also makes the slideshow look like a website.
These are the steps to add action buttons. So first step, you need to click the Insert tab. Second step, you need to select the image or text you want to turn into an action button. Third step, you need to click the action option on the ribbon. Then, the action setting box will appear. After that appears, you need to select the animation or sound you want to play, then click OK. It's demo time!
And then go to action. After that, go to sounds and find a sound like explosion. Okay, and then next click OK and do the same thing with Bonsai Him. And next go to action, click play sound and click bomb because bomb is combining with explosion to make a sound. And then go and test it out. Oh, my bomba cracked.